Hello, welcome to our video on common problems with small solar off-grid lighting and power kit installations. Let's jump into some of the most common problems people have. Putting panels where they do not get full sunlight from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Putting the panels behind a wall or sign so that they cannot be seen by people or the sun. Not tightening all the bolts so that over time it becomes an issue. Not having enough concrete or pole depth in the ground to support the system and weight over time. Not using waterproof connectors or junction boxes to tie wires together. Putting the solar panel close to other lights means the system needs its light sensitivity adjusted because the solar panel is sensing some of that light and not turning on. Not knowing that DC systems use a different wire color coding than AC systems. Red is always positive and black or blue is negative or neutral. Not setting the panel racking at a 45-degree angle reduces the solar panel's power in the winter months. For example, you can lose up to 50% of the solar panel's power if it is placed flat. You can lose up to 45% of the power of the solar panel if you face the solar panel north versus south in the northern hemisphere. Not checking that all circuit breakers are on and that no breaker tripped during the installation process. Making sure the kit design wattage matches the load watts of the product being installed. Example, if you are installing an internal light solar sign lighting kit, make sure that the sign manufacturer has not increased the number of LEDs or the wattage beyond what the kit was ordered for. Make sure that you have sufficient pole size to support the system being installed. Make sure the system and load voltages are the same. This is just a short list of things to consider and know before and after installing a small off-grid solar lighting and power kit. For more information, go to sunin1.com.